Hello guys, welcome to all of here once again, and today we will start working with strings. Basically strings are the combination of different characters, and if we want to print any string in Python, there are two ways of printing strings. So let's see, I want to print hello world in Python. So you just need to use single quotes hello world and then hit enter and it will print the hello world. In the same way you can also use the double quotes for printing the hello world and both will work. So there is another other way to print the hello world is to use the print function. So basically there are two types of functions in programming languages. One is built-in functions and second is the user defined functions. So in built-in functions are those functions that comes with programming languages or in libraries and we just import them and use them. But user-defined functions are those which are defined by users. So we are in our beginning lecture, so we will not define our own function. We will define later on in our series. So for now, if I want to use print functions, uh, so if I want to print these hello world by using a function, there is a function in Python which is print function. I'll just call it print, which is the name of function, and then these brackets, and then in single quote or double quote, I will add text hello world. But so as you can see, there are three ways to print any string in Python. But difference is that in just quotations, it print the quotation marks also with our print our output. But if I when I use to print function, it just to print the my string, but not the this quotation marks. So if maybe so what if I want to print words number one? So let's see, I want to print word number one. So if I type this, so it shows me warning here. As you can see, it will not print the whole string because I have used these quotes here and here. There are these two quotes, but instead of these, I have also used a single quote between these. So it will the program will confuse. So for this solution, there are two ways. One is just I should replace this single quotes with double quotes, and now it will works. And as you can see, the whole text is green. So if I enter and in the it works. So if I type the previous one, print, and here words number one. So as you can see, it shows me that syntax error because I am violating the syntax. So if you want to use single quotes within double sorry more than one two single quotes, so for that you just need to replace your double quotes with single quotes or single quotes with double quotes. So here is an other example. If I want to print this word in words double quotation and this is without double quotation, so for that you just need to print, you just need to use single quotes, and here within these single quotes use words number one. So if I enter, so as you can see, the words come with in the double quote. So so here is another thing is that we can also add two strings. So let's see if I have two words, sorry, two statements, world, and another is that number one, number one. I can also add these two statements. So let's see. I want to add these statements. I will use the add sign and it will add these statements. But they will be combined. There will be no space between these words. And also if I want to add one word and 100 times or 10 times, I should use the multiplication sign. So let's see. I want to print 1 10 times, so I just need to 1, sorry, 1 and then multiply with 10, and here you can see it prints the 1 10 times. So here is another thing is that as you can see the word 1 is come 10 times in one line without space. So if I want to print one, oh, this one word in separate lines, so for that I will use print functions. So print and one, and then here is another thing is that I will use this slash n. So this slash n is used to go for next line. So slash n then multiply by 10. So as you can see the one has been printed 10 times and every one is on next line. So this slash n goes for next line and every time it prints 1. So here is another thing is that we can also use the variables for printing the our strings on our screen. So let's see, I have a string and I want to assign that string to a variable whose name is a. So let's see a. I have this variable and I want to assign string to this variable which is hello world, and I want to print, and if I want to print this I will use print, and this in this print function I will call this a variable and it will print the hello world. So there are different methods which are used for printing the strings, and we will further explore these functions. So that's for now, and if you like my video then like this video, and if you have any suggestion or and any suggestion or any question you can ask me in comment section. I'll answer your query. Thanks for now. Allah Hafiz.